Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Paychex Payroll. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you get started with Paychex Payroll and how you can process payroll and taxes. So without further ado, let's dive right into the website. So just type in paychex.com on your browser and you should be able to see this website right here. And if you already have an account, then you can directly log in. From here, you can also access Paychex Flex Login via Google Play or App Store if you need to check it on the go, as well as Paychex Oasis Login. So right there, feel free to check those out on your mobile. That is if you already have an account. So here, I'm going to check this, try it for free. All right, so if you want to try their software for free, then you're going to have to reach out to their sales team or contact support. And you can also try requesting a pricing. So right here, get custom pricing to fit your needs. Fill out the form below and Paychex will be in touch shortly. So feel free to do that if you want to sign up for Paychex. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on what info we can gather from Paychex's website. Of course, everything we need to know before we dive right into their software. So first up, Paychex is a leading provider of payroll and human resource solutions designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers a suite of services to streamline payroll, tax, and HR management. Now, we're going to start with the key features of Paychex. So first up, one platform for HR and payroll. This includes payroll services, human resources, time and attendance, employee benefits, and full service HR PEO. Now we're going to go through these links one by one later. But first up, the first key feature of Paychex is, of course, payroll processing. Now this includes automatic calculation of wages, deductions, and taxes. And it also includes support for multiple pay frequencies and payment methods, including direct deposit, pay cards, and checks, while having customizable payroll solutions for hourly, salaried, and contract employees. Now for tax administration, there's automatic payroll tax calculations, filing, and payment for federal, state, and local taxes. There's also year-end tax services, including preparation and distribution of W-2s and 1099s, and it also complies or has compliance updates to ensure adherence to changing tax laws and regulations. Now, for employee self-service, employees can also access pay stubs, tax forms, and benefits information online or via the Paychex Flex mobile app. So the one we saw a while ago, employees can also download those so that they can access their own pay stubs, tax forms, and benefits information. You can also direct deposit, setup, and access to payroll history. Now for time and attendance integration with time tracking tools to streamline payroll calculations is included, as well as automated overtime tracking and compliance with labor laws. For benefits integration, synchronization with benefits administration to manage deductions for health insurance, retirement plans, and more. There's also access to employee benefits, enrollment, and management tools. They have a mobile app for payroll processing and approvals available on the go with push notifications for payroll updates and tax filings. For HR tools and compliance, you have access to HR advisors for guidance on payroll and workforce compliance, compliance checks for labor laws, including overtime rules and minimum wage requirements, and there's also new hire reporting to meet federal and state requirements. For reporting and analytics, you have customizable reports for payroll, taxes, and employee costs, as well as real-time insights to monitor payroll, expenses, and tax liabilities. And lastly, scalability and flexibility. So you have access to solutions for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, as well as industry-specific payroll features for tailored solutions. Now we're going to check their payroll services here. Compare Paychex payroll packages so you can get a free quote. You can also compare the features here, get the right solution for your business. So I believe this is like a, what do you call this? A selection of almost like a feature, or feature rather, a premium feature that differs depending on your needs. So you have the Paychex Flex, so one-on-one support to tackle business needs, employee training and development system, online payroll processing and tax filing, dedicated support available 24/7. There's also Paychex Flex Pro for a full service setup, payroll and tax filing, online or with a dedicated specialist. Also has robust HR software and handbook tools with a personal consultation and dedicated support available 24/7. Now, the third one is the Paychex Flex Enterprise, which is an all-in-one payroll and HR, where you can gain insights through custom analytics. There's also hiring and onboarding employees with dedicated support available 24/7. So you can get a quote for each of these and more details on what they include right here. So feel free to check those out. Now we move on to human resources. Here you can already talk with an expert as well as check their plans. So you can receive guidance from a dedicated Paychex HR professional. Let's check this out real quick. All right, personal and proactive guidance. There's personalized HR service, proactive and on-demand, as well as extension of your HR team. So that's that. Now for time and attendance. So online time attendance and remote timekeeping software. Paychex Flex Time, our cloud-based time and attendance system, is fully integrated with our all-in-one platform, Paychex Flex. All right, so you have access to that. Paychex Flex Time, Paychex Flex Time Essentials. So these are your options. Web Punch mobile app, kiosk app with facial verification, biometric iris and finger scan time, clocks, interactive voice response system. There's also here Web Punch mobile app, online timesheets, kiosk app with facial verification. So it's actually very advanced. Their technology on online time attendance checker. And then for employee benefits, in a competitive labor market, offering comprehensive employee benefits is not just an option, it's a necessity. So here are some of the comprehensive employee benefits options. So group health insurance, retirement services, flexible spending accounts, health saving accounts, the individual health insurance, optional benefits and discounts for overall staff and personal well-being, and dental and vision insurance. Now lastly, full service HR or PEO, HR PEO. So you can help attract and keep employees, offer world-class benefits, and simplify payroll. So what is a professional employer organization? It's an all-in-one HR solution that helps make it easier for you to manage employee benefits, HR payroll, and compliance. Working with a PEO offers many benefits to your business, such as simplifying HR tasks to focus on what matters most, offering Fortune 500 level benefits more affordably, and access to HR advice and guidance on specific issues. So there's a video on that if you want to check that out. And that's what we have for their HR PEO. All right, so again, if you want to request a pricing for them, feel free to check out their solutions here on their one platform for HR and payroll, or directly head to their request pricing option right here. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.